ambitious risk taker, making up 28% of the U.S. population. Most of them are younger, and they are more aggressive. An ambitious risk taker would lead you to believe they are. But I think the challenge there, and John, you talked about it too, your investment objective, if you're younger, it's still a good idea to be aggressive, but it's a mentality thing for me. We talk a lot about on our show the difference between chasing a rate of return with your investments and trying to achieve an outcome. An outcome is really the key when it comes to retirement.
You should be 100% focused on the outcome of your retirement, meaning what is your income? That is a little bit of a play on words, but it's very legitimate. The outcome of your retirement has got to result in income replacement because, look, you're working for a paycheck right now, and as long as you work, you will have that paycheck in place. When retirement comes, you're basically walking off of that paycheck cliff, if you will, and there's nothing there to support you other than Social Security and the assets that you have. So the key is trying to figure out how you can replace a substantial part of the paycheck that you've got in retirement. That, I think, is really the only objective. And for people that are getting close to retirement, one of the things that we talk to them about is taking enough risk for their plan to work, but not so much risk that their plan is at risk. You do not want to risk. There are no do-overs in retirement, Candace, and so you can't really chase that return like you maybe could have in your earlier days as you approach retirement.
Yeah, we call that the retirement red zone, right? In the last 5 to 10 years before you retire, or even a few years after you retire, you cannot afford to make a mistake, right? And we also have to talk with our clients about when we do put together their plan and implement the plan, that not every single account of theirs is going to look like, oh, we've hit it out of the park and we've made some great returns.
Not going to track the S&P 500.
Yeah, exactly. So there's going to be a portion of the portfolio that's very conservative and is not intended to make a lot.
Want more content like this delivered to your inbox weekly? Visit fastest4.com to learn more.